हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, तर राणा अकॅडमी या चॅनलवरती आपणा सर्वांचे स्वागत आहे. आपण आताच जस्ट मी व्हिडिओ टाकणार आजच्याच दिवसामध्ये बायोचा आणि केमिस्ट्रीचा. तर त्याच्यानंतर आपण सुरुवात करूया फिजिक्सचा पेपर 2022 आणि 2023चा. ह्या अगोदर आपण कंप्लीट केला बायोलॉजीचा 2022 आणि 2023चा क्वेश्चन पेपर, प्रिव्हियस इयर क्वेश्चन पेपर, आणि 2022 आणि 23चा केमिस्ट्रीचा प्रिव्हियस इयर क्वेश्चन पेपर आपण कंप्लीट केला आहे या चॅनलवरती. तर आता आपण पाहणार आहोत फिजिक्सचा 2022 आणि 2023चा क्वेश्चन पेपर, ज्यासाठी मार्क्स असणार आहे 70 मार्क्स आणि टाईम असणार आहे 3 तास. चला तर मग स्टार्ट करूया. सेक्शन ए, सिलेक्ट अँड राईट द करेक्ट आन्सर्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मल्टिपल चॉईस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन्स. First sub question: if n is the number of molecules per unit volume and d is the diameter of the molecules, the mean free path lambda of molecules is dash dash. Second sub question: the first law of thermodynamics is consistent with the law of conservation of dash dash. Third sub question: y is equal to a plus b bar is the Boolean expression for. Fourth sub question: the property of light which remains unchanged when it travels from one medium to another medium. Sub question 5: if a circular coil of 100 turns with the cross sectional areas of 1 meter square is kept with its plane perpendicular to the magnetic field of 1t, the magnetic flux linked with the coil will be 100 Wb if theta represents the angle of contact made by a liquid which completely wets the surface of the container, then dash dash. So question number 7: the LED emits visible light when it's. Question number 8: soft iron used to make the core of transformer because of its. Sub question 9: if the maximum kinetic energy of emitted electrons in photoelectric effect is 2 eV, the stopping potential will be. Question number 10. Sub question 10: the radius of eighth orbit of electron in H atom will be more than that of fourth orbit by a factor of. Question number 2: answer the following questions. First sub question: what is the values of resistance for an ideal voltmeter? Sub question second: what is the value of force on a closed circuit in a magnetic field? Sub question 3: what is the average value of alternating current over a complete cycle? Sub question 4: an electron is accelerated through a potential difference of 100 volt. Calculate the de Broglie wavelength in nanometer. Sub question 5: if friction is made 0 for a road, can a vehicle move safely on this road? Sub question 6: state the formula giving relation between electric field intensity and potential gradient. Calculate the velocity of a particle performing SHM after 1 second of its displacement is given by 5 sin pi r upon 3 meter. Sub question 8: write the mathematical formula for for Bohr's magneton for an electron revolting in nth orbit. Section B: attempt any 8 questions of the following. Question number 3: define a coefficient of viscosity, state its formula and SI units. So question number 4: obtain an expression for magnetic induction of a toroid of nth norms about an axis passing through its center and perpendicular to its plane. Question number 5: state and prove principle of conservation of angular momentum. Question number 6: obtain an expression for equivalent capacitance of two capacitance C1 and C2 connected in series. Question number 7: explain why the equivalent inductance of two coils connected in parallel is less than the inductance of either of the coils. Question number 8, how will you convert a moving coil galvanometer into an ammeter? Question number 9, 100 ohm resistor is connected to is equal to 220 volt 50 hertz supply. Calculate. Sub question A, are my values of current and net power consumed over the full cycle. Question number 10, a bar magnet of mass 120 gram in the form of rectangular parallelo piped has dimensions 1 to 40 nanometer, 6 to 10 nanometer, and S to 100 S to 80 nanometer. With its dimension h vertical, the magnet performs angular oscillations in the planes of the magnetic field with per period pi seconds. If the magnetic moment is 3.4 angstrom meter square, and determine the influencing magnetic field. Question number 11, distinguish between free vibrations and forced vibrations. 2 points. Question number 12, compare the rate of loss of heat from the metal sphere at 827 degrees Celsius with rate of loss of heat from the same at 427 degrees Celsius if the temperature of surrounding is 27 degrees Celsius. Question number 13, an ideal monoatomic gas is adiabatically compressed so that its final temperature is twice its initial temperature. Calculate the ratio of final pressure to its initial pressure. Question number 14, disintegration rate of the radioactive sample is 10 to the power 10 per hour at 20 hours from the start. It reduces 5 into 10 to the power 9 per hour after 30 hours. Calculate the decay constant. Section C, attempt any 8 questions of the following. Question number 15, derive laws of reflection of light using Huygens principle. Question number 16, state postulates of Bohr's atomic model. Question number 17, define the state unit and dimensions of sub-question A, magnetization. Sub-question B, explain magnetic susceptibility. Question number 18, with the need labeled suitable diagram, describe an experiment to and study the characteristics of photoelectric effect. Question number 19, explain the use of potentiometer, determine internal resistance of a cell. Question number 20, explain the working of NPN transistor in common base configuration. State the differential equation of linear system, hence obtain expression for first acceleration, second velocity. Question number 22, the tuning forks of frequencies 320 Hz and 340 Hz are sounded together to produce sound wave. The velocity of sound in air is 326.4 meter per second. Now calculate the difference in wavelengths of these waves. Question number 23, in a biprism experiment, the fringes are observed in the final focal plane of the eyepiece at a distance of 1.2 meter from the slit. The distance between the central bright band and the 20th bright band is 0.4 centimeter. When a convex lens is placed between the biprisma and the eyepiece 90 centimeter from the eyepiece, the distance between the two virtual magnified images is found to be 0.9 centimeter. Determine the wavelength of light used. Question number 24, calculate the correct flowing through two long parallel wires carrying equal currents and separated by a distance of 1.35 centimeter, experiencing force per unit length of 4.76 into 10 to the power minus 2 nanometer. For question number 25, an alternating voltage given by E is equal to 114 SI is connected across a pure resistor of 50 ohm calculate the frequency of the source, the RPS current through the resistor. Question number 26. An electric dipole consists of two opposite charges, each of magnitude 1 mu c, separated by 2 centimeter. The dipole is replaced in an external electric field of 10 to the power 3 Newton per kilo calorie. Calculate the maximum torque experienced by the dipole and work done by the external field to turn on the dipole through 180 degree. सेक्शन डी अटेम्प्ट एनी 3 क्वेश्चन्स. तर आपल्याला इथे 5 क्वेश्चन दिलेले आहेत सेक्शन डी मध्ये, त्याच्यापैकी फक्त 3 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व्ह करायचे आहेत. Question number 27. On the basis of kinetic theory of gases, obtain an expression for pressure exerted by a gas molecule enclosed in a container on its walls. Question number 28. Derive any expression for energy stored in the magnetic field in the terms of induced current. A wire 5 meter long is supported horizontally at a height of 15 meter along the east-west direction. When it is about to hit the ground, calculate the average EMF induced on it. Question number 29. Derive the expression for the work done during an isothermal processes. Question number 30. Obtain the relation between surface energy and surface tension. Calculate the work done in blowing a soap bubble to a radius of 1 centimeter. The surface tension of soap solution is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per meter. Question number 31. Derive expressions for linear velocity at lowest position, midway position, and the topmost position for a particle revolving in a vertical circle if it has to just complete its circular motion without string slackening at top. तर इथं संपवतो आपला फिजिक्सचा क्वेश्चन पेपर, जो की होता 2022 आणि 2023चा, जे होता 70 मार्कासाठी आणि 3 तास वेळ दिलेला होता फिजिक्सच्या क्वेश्चन पेपरसाठी. त्याच्यानंतर आपण क्वेश्चन पेपर पाहिला. तर प्लीज लाईक, शेअर अँड सबस्क्राईब. थँक्यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.